Replacing the battery in your 2013-2016 Chevy Malibu key fob is an easy DIY fix that saves you time and money. You'll need a CR2032 battery, available at most electronics stores, and a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool. Locate the seam on the key fob and gently pry the two halves apart using your tool. Remove the old battery from inside the fob, making sure to note its orientation with the positive side facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the fob, ensuring the positive side faces up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Snap the two halves of the fob back together securely, then test it by pressing the buttons to ensure it works. The whole process takes under 5 minutes and can save you $50 to $100 in dealer fees. Avoid cheap aftermarket batteries to prevent corrosion and ensure reliable performance. Work in a static-free environment to protect the key fob's electronics from damage. Be gentle when opening the key fob to avoid damaging the case or internal components. Use appropriate tools carefully. Make sure to insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up to ensure proper function. If the key fob doesn't work after the battery change, try reprogramming it by inserting the key into the ignition, turning it to on, and pressing the lock button. Avoid over-tightening the case when closing it to prevent internal damage to the components. Recycle the old battery responsibly at electronics recycling centers to protect the environment.